Oh.
Okay, cool.
CJ. Puffed up.
Yeah, baby. Look how cute.
Hey. How did you do that? And there's a video there that on YouTube where you see the cockatoo dancing to the song by doing that.
Yeah, that's what they tell me. Oh, that's indication of neurological problems. And I'm going, oh boy, let me start looking this up. And I didn't find anything that said that was neurological.
It's not neurological.
It's just normal cockatoo behavior.
He thinks that there's a lady cockatoo that wants him.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
exactly.
You're such a handsome
You're
boy.
just
I'm
starting
sure
to
you
stop.
are. Lady.
It was like,
Jungle fever.
yeah. Jungle fever. Come here, sweetheart. Shut up.
Oh. Who is that?
That's my dog.
Oh, that's your door.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
McGee.
That's why she says shut up.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. He looks just like Bailey.
Yes. Oh, quiet.
Yeah, do you need a clinic bird?
He
You're such a cool
We've
bird.
got one.
loves everybody.
Such a cool
They could be a duo.
A duo?
Do the other one dances too? So
A little bit.
She doesn't.
When she gets excited, when she gets here in the morning, she'll start like hopping up and down and walking back and forth. It's really cute.
Yeah, he hops around. I get a kick out of
Thank you for
that.
calling East West Animal Hospital. This is Liz speaking. How may I help you? Who may I ask is calling? Extend credit? Okay, hold on one second.
Really
Hello.
good.
Hello. What are you doing?
You need to teach him, hey, come over here. There's an Amazon at the sanctuary that says that. He'll start whistling, he'll go, hey, come over here, and then I'll start going like this. It's really funny.
Extend credit?
Goodness, he's so cute.
Hello. Hello.
Now it says happy dance.
Hello.
Oh, he looks like he's gonna kiss you, and then he walks away.
He only kisses.
Aww. And I got that on camera.
Okay.
Did you say camera?
He walks all the way over and kissed you.
Kiss. Aw.
He goes, he turns right back around.
No.
Hush, McGee.
Come here.
Hello. Kiss. Kiss.
He's like, this is not fair.